AI is the window to our soul, but also to our health. The other day I had to go to the eye doctor in the hospital with my daughter. Wherever I go, I see opportunities to use artificial intelligence. Indeed, I found something and could talk to the doctor about it. The eye is the window to our soul, but also to our health. With our eyes we can see beautiful things around us, we can read and we can follow scientific experiments. An eye doctor can look into our eyes more precisely by observing our retina, which is the sensitive region at the back of the eye. He can see so many things about our health, like diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and glaucoma, but also of life-threatening systemic disorders like the risk for hypertension, stroke, cardiovascular diseases, and neurological disorders like mild cognitive impairment, MCI, and even Alzheimer's disease. Diabetic retinopathy is the leading cause of blindness. It is estimated to affect more than 95 million people. One goal is to slow down the progression of doctor in time. The challenge is that the disease often shows few symptoms until it is too late to provide effective treatment. On the other hand, the ophthalmologist can find many different diseases in one patient. Often these can falsify the symptoms and lead to different results. Only a long observation of one person's eyes and notice the changes over time leads to the correct assessments. Doctors do not have the time to look at all possibilities when examining a patient. Artificial intelligence can help. AI can learn from prior classified images of different diseases and give a doctor a hint about where to look closer.